Is it time to buy or sell Dominari Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Dominari Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Dominari Holdings as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.79. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 6.47%. This translates to an average return of 0.65% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a likely further rise within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.78% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 6.57% to 38%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 48.71%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 9.33% to 298.99% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $6.47 and $23.62. Our latest daily update for Dominari Holdings includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Dominari Holdings Incorporated Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The Dominari Holdings Incorporated stock price fell by 1.33% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, decreasing from $6 to $5.92. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.76%, ranging from a low of $5.73 to a high of $6.06. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, and is up by 6.86% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 112,000 shares, with a total of 152,000 shares traded for approximately $897,730. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $13.58, while the lowest was 83 cents. Currently, the stock price sits 56.41%, or $7.66, below the 52-week high of $13.58, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Dominari Holdings has lined up several catalysts as we approach September. In late August, the company submitted a Form S-3 shelf registration that, if approved, would enable the issuance of up to $2 billion in equity or preferred shares. This is a clear indication that management is seeking resources for potential deals, but it also creates a near-term concern regarding possible dilution. Earlier in the month, the board approved a special cash dividend of 22 cents per share, which will be payable in late September. This is a short-term positive for income-focused investors and is likely to increase demand leading up to the record date. The second quarter results revealed a significant turnaround, with revenue reaching $34.1 million, marking an increase of 520%, and 46 transactions generating approximately $289 million. This validates the company's shift towards financial services and deal origination. Strategic initiatives include the establishment of a crypto advisory board and maintaining considerable involvement in Bitcoin mining projects, which expand potential markets but also introduce volatility. Furthermore, inclusion in the Russell Microcap Index and recent successes with placement agents enhance liquidity and the prospects for fee income. In summary, anticipate short-term fluctuations driven by the dividend announcement, shelf registration updates, and developments in cryptocurrency. The long-term potential hinges on the disciplined allocation of capital, sustained deal flow, and profitable scaling. Analysts have assigned Dominari Holdings stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Dominari Holdings. Dominari Holdings Inc. stock currently displays a sell signal from the short-term moving average. In contrast, there is a buy signal from the long-term average, since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. This creates a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $6.24. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $5.65. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, and it has since declined by 11.24%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as the MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which is a technically positive sign. However, it is important to recognize that this stock may experience periods of low liquidity, which heightens the overall risk. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, 18 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal, 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, 38 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Dominari Holdings. Dominari Holdings Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $5.69, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement during the day, characterized by volatility, and due to periodic low trading volume, it is considered high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 330 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 5.76%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.35%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Dominari Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Dominari Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Dominari Holdings stands at $6.25. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before deciding to enter a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity to think about swing trading. On the downside, Dominari Holdings faces its first support level at $5.69. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Dominari Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 5th of May, 2025, when Hayes Anthony executed an insider sale of 15,000 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.61, reflecting a decrease of 5.28%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 15 days ago. Is Dominari Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Dominari Holdings Inc. stock to perform well in the short term. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 4th of September, we anticipate that Dominari Holdings will open lower by approximately 1 cent and begin trading at $5.90. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.